How to fix your iPhone is overheating. So if you're having any kind of issue where your iPhone's getting too hot, maybe you're seeing an overheating message, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, before following these steps, just make sure you let your iPhone fully cool down. So if it's already too hot, then wait around 15 minutes and just let the iPhone cool down before applying these steps. So the first thing we're going to do is load up your iPhone settings and then scroll down and click on battery. Now scroll down to the power mode and click on this and try enabling and turning on the low power mode. You could then head back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on general, scroll down to the very bottom and select transfer or reset iPhone, press reset, and then select reset all settings. Now you may need to go and enter your iPhone passcode in order to confirm these changes, and don't worry, this won't delete any of your data, this will simply reset the settings on your phone. You can then head back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on general again, and select software update. Now if there's any outdated software, then make sure to go in and install this now. And once your phone's fully up to date, head back over to the settings page, scroll down again and click on general, scroll down and click on background app refresh. You could then select background app refresh and try turning this off. Now once you've followed all of these steps, you can check to see if that solves the overheating issue. If it's still not working, try removing your iPhone case, as sometimes this can also be the reason why your iPhone is overheating. You can also try using a different iPhone charger, so if you're using a faulty charger or an aftermarket charger, sometimes this can also cause an issue with your battery. Now obviously also try to avoid using your iPhone in any direct sunlight, and once you've followed all of these steps, that should have now solved the iPhone overheating issue.